Hi, this is a very common question. Which is better, yoga or meditation? I'll clarify this to you. But before that, let me do one more clarification, which is yoga does not necessarily mean physical activities. The twisting and turning your body that you see people do does not necessarily mean yoga. Yoga is a big concept. Yoga is a way of living. In that, yoga asana, which is the physical posture, is one part of yoga, not just yoga. Alright? But for convenience sake, I will use the term yoga to mean I am talking about the physical activities. Okay? So, which is better now? Is it better to do the physical activities or is it better to do meditation, which is mental? I want to give an analogy to you. Okay? Let's take an example. You are on a journey, you have to go from point A to point B. You have a vehicle and you have a driver. You're gonna sit behind the driver and go for this journey. If I ask you, for this journey, which is important among the two? Is it the condition of the vehicle or the driver? Which is important for you? What did you say? You would say both are important, right? The driver has to be a sensible person and at the same time the vehicle also be in good condition. If the vehicle is not in good condition, you will have lot of trouble on the journey. If the vehicle breaks down on the road, you will have trouble. And at the same time, if the driver is not a sensible person or if the driver is mentally ill, probably you will die on the road. Both have to be in good condition, right? So the same way, your mind is the driver and your body is the vehicle. Your body is the vehicle and mind is the driver. If I ask you which is important, what would you say? Would you say that the driver is important, the vehicle is not? Or would you say the vehicle is important, the driver is not? Both are important for this journey called life. Otherwise, you will have difficulty in this journey. So, to the question which is better, whether yoga is better or meditation, and the answer is both are better. But I would like to add something more to this. Okay? People usually understand these two things, that both the mind and the body are important. But what people do not understand is that in this journey, apart from the driver and the vehicle, there is also something else which is important, which is the fuel in the vehicle. If the vehicle does not have fuel like diesel or petrol, then you will not be able to complete your journey, right? The body needs fuel. So for this body, we have a fuel which is called pran, which is inside the body. To activate this fuel inside the body, we need to do some exercise, some vyayam. What is exercise called in Hindi? Vyayam. So we have to do pranayam. Pranayam is exercise for the pran inside the body. That is also important. Your driver is important, your vehicle is important, and the fuel is also important. So meditation is important for the driver, yoga is important for the vehicle, and the pranayam is important for the fuel. All the three are important. So instead of focusing only on any one of them, start focusing on all the three, because all the three are important for this journey called life. I hope this made sense. Thank you.